Hello guys, this is MoneyGrind here. So last week we mentioned that Tezos is bearish on the long term, but short term wise it is showing some bullish sign, and for Cosmos it is bearish both long term and short term. So let's see how both coins have trended over the week. So if you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. And enjoy! So first, without further ado, let us first jump into Tezos. So for Tezos, last week we mentioned that the price action is currently in a possible dispersion pattern, and since last week the price is still trended between these two lines here and remain fairly constant throughout the week. And if we look at the trading volume, we can see that the volume for the price that trended down is on the higher side than those that trended out. So definitely I could see that there's a pressure to push the price further down. However, if we look at our oscillator here, we could see that we are currently having a lower highs than our previous high, and we are also having a higher lows than our previous lows. This could be a possible continuation pattern that we are having here. So this should be considered as bullish short-term wise. However, long-term wise, I could see the price is still on the bearish side, and this is confirmed by our MACD indicator here. So if we look at our MACD indicator, long-term wise, we are definitely still bearish at the moment, despite that the MACD line is tapering off currently. However, short-term wise, the indicator is definitely showing some bullish sign here, and we are also still oversold currently. So definitely some retracement toward the upside is possible and remain within the card. So let's jump into Cosmos. So for Cosmos, it is also still easier than Tezos. So last week we mentioned that Cosmos is currently on a downtrend, and since last week it still remained fairly constant within this resistance line here. So it is still definitely trending downward at the moment. However, if we look at our trading volume here, so we could see that trading volume for those that trended up is definitely on the higher side than those that trended down. So definitely I could see that there's a slight pressure to push the price towards the upside, and this is also shown in our RSI indicator here. So if we look at our RSI indicator, we can see that short-term wise is definitely showing some bullish sign. However, long-term wise, the situation is definitely still bearish at the moment. And this is also true if we look at our MACD indicator here. So if we look at our MACD indicator long-term wise, we could see that the MACD indicator is still on the bearish territory, and short-term wise, the MACD line is tapering off, and it is also oversold at the moment. So definitely it is slightly bullish at the moment. And if we look at our price action here, we are still below our simple moving average. So definitely overall the trend is still bearish. However, if we look at our indicator here, definitely a slight price movement towards the upside is also possible and remain within the card. So in conclusion, for Tezos, the trend is still bearish long-term wise. However, short-term wise, we could see some price movement towards the upside, and this is also true for Cosmos. So for Cosmos, long-term wise, we are still bearish currently. However, short-term wise, we could also see some price movement toward the upside, but definitely the price movement toward the upside for both coins are temporarily, and the overall trend should still be considered bearish at the moment. So that would be all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I was making it. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you find value in this video. Do leave us a comment down below if you have any other topics or coin that you would like us to cover, and we may cover it in the next video. So cheers, and until next time!